What's up, guys? It's me. I can't. It's me playing Roblox in life. Hold up. I'll be right back. I need to close this. How's watching him? Oh, Maverick, my friend. You didn't need to see any of that. But okay. Is my friend still in the... No, Matt. Oh, she left. Gabby friended me too. Okay, well, we're gonna see if we can see any of our... Let's see if I can see any of my friends that are on. Alright, let's see if... Oh yeah, she had to go, huh? I'm dumb. Boy, she's still on though. You see that? Alright, we're just gonna go home. Oh. Alright. Okay, now that we're gonna go home, we're just gonna do that. Wow. She says screw life. Wait, hold on, we have to leave Roblox in life. We're just gonna go to another game. We're just gonna switch games. I might rage in these. Plus 3 cash. But okay. Well, I don't know if any of you know my friend. His name is... Wait. Well, I don't know if any of you watch him. I need to exit some of you all. Oh, is Jack on? Yeah, of course he's on. Why wouldn't he be on? He's always on. Well, not always, but he's sometimes on. Can you stop? Okay. Sorry, it's just I'm near my thing. It's getting annoying every time I touch it. Oh. Wait, give me a minute. I thought my webcam was supposed to be right here, but nope. I want to install it, man. Please stop. I said please stop. I'm gonna close these. Well, we're in this one. Oh! My stuff for like 30 seconds. I don't know if you know that I have his skin on, Renji. Oh wow, that's pretty mean. Ow, you hit me! Why did you hit me? Out of all the people. Oh well, he probably hit me on accident though. Jack! Jack! Oh, no, buddy! Oh no, he's gonna go for us now. Oh no. Oh. I'm making a vid right now. I'm making a vid right now. Hello. Oh no. Oh my god. Yeah. Stop saying my name, please. Oh. Ah. Oh my god, I just have to crawl away from here. I just need to crawl. Does anyone see me? No. I just have to go. I really just have to go. We have to go outside. Let's go outside and get some things. I need to get the hammer. The hammer to hammer them down. Please don't get it. Please stop. No. He got the hammer. Oh wait, but it's missing, right? I can't get it. Stop! Oh, but I still got it. Ah ha 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 ha. You don't see this? You see it? Oh, you see it? No, you don't. You see it? little pump, wait. Little pump, oh little pump, yeah. 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 Ooh, looks like a bit. Don't show them the hammer. Hey, little pump, little pump, little pump, little pump, little pump, little pump, little pump sucks. Alright, not all the time. Little pump doesn't suck a lot. Get away from me! I said leave me alone! I said leave me alone! No! 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 You know, I just give up. I'm not gonna say anymore. I'm gonna drink some of my soda. I'm gonna get the mic out over there. Let's hope there's no hackers in this game. If there is a hacker, I'm gonna leave and join another lobby. AKA server. No.
Despega la silla de ahí.
Huh?
Despega la silla de la pared. Hazla más para ahí está.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. My dad told me to get the chair away from the wall. I'm pretty sure that's a really good idea. That's not a bad idea. That's a really good idea. Because I kept hitting my vent, and that's so loud when I hit it. I'm on a mission. I'm gonna just leave in this fresh, and I'm gonna sing the Moose parody. I wonder if you can break these upstairs. You probably leave like a cave. Yes, you know. Can I break this? Oh, you probably can't. Let's do this. Let's try this. Please work, please work, please work, work. Show me how to work. Tell me how to. I'm sorry that I'm really weird. I'm like the weirdest YouTuber ever. Probably. I'm sorry that I had to. Ooh. Ooh, where was going? Oh, it can go out through here. I never knew that. So it's like, oh, but the only thing is, it's way brighter. It's way brighter here than any other. I swear, if it was the same place, I'm gonna be so mad. What? Did I just see something? Hold up. Please don't lead in the same place. I'm on a mission. This is the movie. I'm pretty sure they all lead to the same place. Cause yesterday, I don't think I made a video about it, but I probably never made it a video. Okay. This leads to the same place. Honestly, we don't really need this hammer, so as soon as we leave, I'm gonna reset and then. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Don't mind me over here. You know, your friendly neighborhood going not to prison back again because you killed me. I'ma just leave. And you're not even gonna notice like I did. As soon as we say escape. We did something bad here. What did we do? Just stop. Get off my computer. Be right back. I'm gonna try getting this off. Stop, please. I said get off the computer. I don't need this. Oh my god. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna rejoin. Actually, no, you don't. I don't really need to be back. I'm a noob at this game. Well, at being a YouTuber. This might be my first video, though. This is my first video. It's not responding. No. I hate it when this happens. Okay, what? Hey. Why do I have so many tabs open? Did I just log off of Roblox? You can see I have Minecraft here. I might do a Minecraft video once. One day. Minecraft by Mojang, not fake, huh? Moose. Moose. Moose, 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 moose. I got moose in my kitchen. I need that ammunition. Driving Lambo to school, doing the zombie plane dance. I'm on a mission. This is the mythic edition. Oh. So, I wonder how long this is gonna take us. Oh. Oh! 1,000,000 visits. Thanks. This thing never got 1,000,000. 1,000,000,000 play! I give up on you, Jailbreak. I really am concerned about you, Jailbreak. Don't look at my Robux. I won't let you look at my Robux. Hacks. I will show you a hack. How to give yourself unlimited Robux. Hold up. I will give you a hack to do unlimited Robux. You see this? This is how you do unlimited Robux. As you can see, you can give yourself as much Robux as you want. As you can see, I only have 24. But unlike I know hacks. 24, more like. Ooh, I can give myself unlimited Robux. You wanna see? Unlimited Robux. As you can see here, I just gave myself more Robux than anyone can ever have. Look at this. Wait, hold on, let's count that. That's more than 1,000,000,000, honestly. Okay. What are we doing? This is my character looks so. Hey. Oh yeah, I forgot I had to do this. Hey, bud. How you doing? Oh, I mean, we have to spawn all the way back here. I'd rather be in my song wait like 30 minutes. I don't have 4,000. I need you guys can't see my money. I don't know why. Wait. Yeah, I only have 2 money. As you can see, now this bed I only have 24,000. I am a noob. I'm a noob YouTuber. Noob. I am a noob. Noob. Nobody likes me. I'm gonna call you the Robloxians if that's okay with you. Well, this video was like 13 minutes. Right now, I'm gonna do something. Move! I can't lose right now. I'm sorry, I meant excuse me. No! Open! Oh no. I'm gonna call you the Robloxians at 4:30 minutes. I'm gonna end the video. And I hope you liked it. More health. So, out of all the money I have, you know how much that is? And you know how much Robux I have. That's more than Robux I have. How much Robux is this? Boom gang, Holland gang. I'll take that gun. I'll take that gun. I'll take them binoculars. Ooh. A couple almost little. Oh. Well, it's 4:30. Alright, peace out, Robloxians, and I'll see you in the next video. Right? Bye.